we can be able to, have that feeling that we are here together with quite a number of persons. I want to thank every single one of you that have taken a screenshot of the call and posted in the groups. Thank you so much for doing that. It will help us, have more activities in the group and have more people join the call. So thank you so much for doing that. Then number 2, we are here today, the second day of our live trading call. Those of you joining us for the very first time, it's very important that I let you know that we are going to be here for the next, 20 days. Yesterday was the first day. Today is the second day of our live trading call. And for this live trading call, we were sponsored by 2 brokers. Majorly, the main sponsor for this broker is Naga, simply because they will be able to give us a venue where we are currently using for this live call, a very nice executive 5-star venue for free at the Wings Office Complex, Victoria Island, Lagos, where we have been since on Saturday. And we have been enjoying this office for free. Normally, if we pay for this office, this trading center to use, we would not pay anything less than 500 to 700,000 naira per use. But then because of Naga, we are doing that. So in exchange for that favor, it is very, very important that everybody trading with us should use the broker Naga. Everybody trading with us should use the broker Naga. And for that reason, we have posted the Naga link to the WhatsApp group. When somebody does something well and good, we should be able to commend them and thank them for that thing they have done well and good. Naga have done so well for giving us this support and this sponsorship for the live trading call since on Saturday, using this place, a very expensive 5-star trading hall. And we are grateful for that. And in exchange, everybody participating in this challenge has to create an account with Naga. Whether you're going to fund the account or not, that is not even necessary. No, that is not even the case. The most important is that everybody that is listening to us right now, that is joining this call, by cash.
Is it just me or is it him? Hello, can any other person hear me?
Yeah, I think we lost him.
I can hear you, but we lost James.
That is why I need all of you to be up so we can be, the way Nigeria is now. I don't know what else to do again. I have all the data available in this country, but yet the thing will be cutting me out. But then we cannot just do anything apart from just manage what we have, right? So I was talking about the brokers that sponsored this event, and I mentioned Naga. Naga gave us an executive place where we are using to do this live trading since we started. And also, I mentioned on equity. Is it one equity or on equity? I think all the same. We are still correct. On equity gave us funds to do giveaway, which I've been doing since we started this campaign. And also they gave us iPhone to give out to winners. Winners are people who participated fully for the entire 21 days, and they have been able to prove themselves worthy in character and learning and in performance throughout the 21 days. They followed all the activities and they did so well using on equity broker. Of course, you can't give you such iPhone if you don't have an on equity account. So if you have an on equity account, you participate in these 21 days. At the end of the 21 days, we are going to check all what you have done and select the winner from among, and you have iPhone 13 Pro Max from on equity. Also, on equity has also provided free flights to 15 countries, starting from next month: Cameroon, Kenya, Rwanda. I don't think we are going to go to Uganda because there's issue of coronavirus right there now in Kampala. So we can go to other places except from places where we have medical challenges. So this broker is sponsoring that activity, free flights to and fro to those countries in Africa. But of course, terms and conditions apply, which you need to use the broker, you need to trade actively, you need to have traded a certain number of lots during these 21 days, then we can list you up for that giveaway from On Equity Broker. Then also, I remember yesterday we had the director of NAGA. Was it yesterday or on Saturday? On Saturday, we had the director of NAGA in the person of Michael Udo, director for African operations. He declared a free, all expense paid get-together party for traders. So all the traders who participate in this live trading call from the 1st of February up until the last day of the live trading call, that is the 21st of February, we are going to be having a get-together party for all the people who participated. Get-together is where you come, you eat, you drink, you enjoy yourself, the buffet, you know, all expense paid trip for wherever you are. We're going to be flying you in or transporting you in, feeding you and having a party with you right here in Lagos Island. So if you are using NAGA and you're participating in this event for 21 days, that will be your portion. Naha Jesus. All right, so yesterday we were here, and early hours of yesterday, I saw what happened. Yesterday was Monday. The market opened with the price from this level at 1.035 Euro USD. The market jumped down and opened here on Sunday night, which we call in trading gap. Whenever we have a trading gap like this, traders always know that the market must fill that gap. Traders always know that the market must fill that gap. One of the very big trader in our community, Dr. David Harvey, always said the market does two things, just to take out liquidity and to balance, balance, is it void? Okay. Take out liquidity and balance voids or gap, or say fill gaps. The market is doing two things: to fill a gap and to take out liquidity. So there is a gap in the market that was created by the weekend over-the-counter traders. The market jumped from this place and started from here Sunday night. And then I saw the market began to, you know, form a, is it bearish flag, I will call it now, or please, if there's anybody on this call that knows the name of this pattern, please let me know, please. I've forgotten the name of this pattern. Is there anyone on this call that knows the name of this pattern? Please, I really do not like to operate like a radio broadcasting station. So I like us to interact because I expect that a number of us here are traders. And I'm also calling, if there's anyone that wants to take over the analysis, please let me know. I will hand over the co-host to you so that you can analyze and call a trade for us. Please open your mic and tell me, what's the name of this pattern that is here? Is there anybody that knows the name of this pattern that is here? Nobody.
It's bullish.
No, this pattern I draw here, I know it's bullish, but what is this pattern here?
Not bullish.
Which one?
I can't see your screen. I can only see you. I can't see your screenshot.
Is there anybody that can see my screen, please?
Yes, we are seeing your screen.
So what is the name of this pattern here? This pattern that was here. After the market made a gap in the market, it formed a pattern. What's the name of this pattern?
I don't forget to.
Is it falling wedge?
It's a falling wedge.
Okay, let's agree. Let's agree that it's falling wedge because it looks like falling wedge. So the point I'm making is not anything that is important. After you talk, you can mute yourself back. If you have a noisy background, you cannot leave your mic on. Thank you. So after the market had created a jump, then I saw this pattern created, falling wedge. And then that was early hours of the morning, around 5:30. And I sent this screenshot to the WhatsApp group. How many of you saw the screenshot when I sent it to the WhatsApp group? Please open your mic. I say
yeah, I did, Jerry, I did.
The moment the market broke out, I entered a buy. And I was buying all the way to the top of that week. So we waited until the market went there. I took some profit. It came back here, I loaded another buy. It went there, I took some profits. It came back here, I loaded another buy. It went up and I took profits at this place. The reason I had to take profit at this line is 1.0261. It's a daily support level. It's a critical daily support level that was created there. So I had to take profit there because I am thinking maybe the market do like a breakout, a push, and it's going to continue downward. So I wouldn't know, right? So, but if the market was able to break into that daily support level, it's now, we say the market is now back into the range. When the market is now back into the range, it's going to head towards the next resistance. And also, I had to also remember that looking at the left-hand side, there is nothing here stopping the market. There is no stumbling block. As a matter of fact, we have a gap that must be filled on the left-hand side. So that further gave me an idea that if we have any pullback down again to the daily support level, then we are going to take a buy. This is 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame has a close into the range. 15 minutes candle has a close into the range. 5 minutes candle has a close into the range. Based on scalping, we have a pullback down to this breakout level. So there's a resistance from here. Price broke above the resistance, enter into the daily range, pull back again into the same level of where we have the breakout of this level here. That was where we initiated a buy. Some people entered the buy from here on this daily line as a buy stop. Then why some entered down here. My friend Wisdom Ariko yesterday, he called this trade for a buy yesterday. How many of you were here yesterday when Ariko called this trade on a buy and I echoed it and I drew this what's this called again?
Yeah, I was there. I was around.
So yesterday he called out this that we had
as well.
Exactly. So we had the market enter into the daily trading range. And when it entered, we had a pullback into the exact daily trading range. Then we called out the trade that everybody should buy 1.0262. That was where we entered the buy. And the market did not move while we were still in the trade, but the market moved a bit later after we left the trade, around after 3, 4, then we had a spike. So, and I also said yesterday, sometimes the market opened and there is no activity. It's simply because during the London session, the activity was much, so the New York session might be quiet. But towards the ending of the London session, towards that 4, 5, more liquidity can also come in and the market would move. And that was exactly what happened to us. All of us that took trade yesterday, starting of the live trading 21 days, all of us made profits. And it was an exciting thing that on the first day of our live call, we did not take a loss. So if you're happy we did not take a loss, put $sign on the chat box because we are not going to take a loss today again. We are going to have a profitable trading day today. Please go to the chat box and put a $sign. If you agree that we are going to have a profitable trading day today, we are not going to take a loss today. We will check our position. If we see an entry and we find a very good reason to enter the position, we will enter the position without looking back. And we are not going to take a loss today. We are going to make profit just like we made profit yesterday. In the number of pips, if you check how many pips profit we made yesterday, you will realize that, let me check again and see if I can find that pips calculator. Where's that thing that they usually use to calculate the pips again? Let me see if I can find it. Just a moment, please. There is that ruler. I picked the ruler and I dropped from where we entered the trade to where we took profit. We made a profit of 95 pips yesterday. So yesterday we made 95 pips. If there's anybody recording it, please, I want to record it on a diary and say day 1, 95 pips. So we called the trade yesterday, the first day of our live trading call, and we made 91 pips yesterday. So let this be on record that day 1 of the 21 days live call, we made 91 pips. And the reason we were able to make that 91 pips was because we saw a gap that was created in the market, and the market went through to fill up that gap exactly. The market went through to fill that gap exactly before we now had a retracement after exactly filling the gap. So this will be now a lesson for others who, or other people. So sorry, excuse me, I need to be sure we are streaming live on YouTube. I'm hearing recording in progress and it seems to me like, can somebody confirm to me if we are live on YouTube? Can somebody confirm for me, please? Can you just minimize your own screen and check if we are still live on YouTube? Yeah, I think we are still live on YouTube. I think so. Thank you. Those of you joining us on YouTube, you can click on the subscription button and also join the WhatsApp group where we have the family. So
yes, it's still live on YouTube.
Thank you. So we can still participate together. And if you follow the calls, you will see what we did yesterday. You will see where we are today. So there will be a progression. There will also be an element of learning. You can be able to learn from what we are doing. If you are able to see where we were and where we are, so you're able to learn. So yesterday, what I noticed from yesterday was price was not able to break this high. All the time, price was trying to go up from this jump. It was not able to break this high all the time. It wasn't able to break this high. There is a significant monthly zone that I marked here earlier before now that probably might be the reason why price is not able to break that high. So for me to draw a clean line, I would like to go to line charts. For me to draw a clean trend, I would like to go to line chart so I can see all where I can possibly draw a very neat and clean trend that is accurate. So this line chart will help me to do so. So by way of training and learning, I'm sure that a lot of people who are seeing what has happened can draw inferences and learn from what we have done. So if you go back now to candles, you will see exactly what we have. So the price is trading between this channel. It's not a neat channel anyway, but then it's not leaving this channel and it just keeps going. So what I will do with Euro USD, in case you are interested in Euro USD, yes, I still want to buy Euro USD. I am still bullish on Euro USD, but I will not buy until this monthly level is broken. So how do I know it's the monthly level? If I go to weekly, I will see the charts on weekly. If I go to weekly, I'll see the charts on weekly. I'll see change this again back to line charts on weekly. Okay, there's no level there where we are here. This is not a level. So let me take it out. It's not a level. This is not a level. Take it out. So I think where we are now on the weekly time frame, what I can see here is a low and a high, and we are currently at 618 Fibonacci key level. So we are currently at key level. It's possible for us to have price from this place and go back all the way to the target is the high there. This high is the target. So based on weekly analysis, there is a target level here at 1.0469. That is where we are likely going based on the weekly analysis. So I'll take this out. So I want to take this, I want to leave this one because of the previous resistance that was broken here. I think it's invalid now, but then let me just hold it and see. I will also check on monthly. I want to see on monthly. I want to be sure that we're not leaving any stone unturned. We want to leave no stone unturned. Okay, there is nothing much here. There is only something here, which is a previous support that is going to be turned to resistance. So there is nothing much here, nothing much to draw, no lines much to draw. On the daily, I want to see if there's any zone that we needed to look out for. On the daily, I'm waiting for you if you can log in from here. On the daily, if you look at the current area where we are, we have a zone here, support, that looks like head and shoulder and has played out, neckline broken, I think from here, and deep down again to this level. So it's possible now, of course, the 618, Fibonacci 618 from this low to this high gives us this level. And then, so if we begin to go up again, this may not be able to stop us because it has multiply been taken out. Here, okay, this is the support here. If it goes back here, this can be our target, but we also have this place as a target that we mapped out. So yes, we are still bullish and we are at key level. So we could be heading to 1.0386, which is not very strong. We could even go as high as 1.0405, and highest to the most significant level there is 1.0493. So I think I'll prefer to use this as my significant key level. What is your challenge? Can you log in from here? Use not WhatsApp. Log into the Zoom and log into Naga. You can join the Zoom from website. Then you are connected to my internet now. Yeah. Okay. So once you're ready, let me know. So we can have a target up to that level where we are. So all I'm saying in a nutshell is that I am still bullish on Euro USD. I'm still bullish. Look at what happened yesterday. Bullish. Still trying to close the gap. And we had a nice pullback for today and market trying to go up. So for us to be able to continue that buy, I needed to see a structure form to the upside. So if we go to time frame like 4 hours, we want to see if there is a structure that will be formed before we go on a buy. But overall, I think we have to wait until we see a structure. And that structure will be a break of this level into the range and a pullback to that same level. Then we look for a reason to buy to go all the way up to this other level. So that will be the only reason why I should be buying Euro USD if I have not bought already. Apart from that, today we saw something happening on gold. And again, please, I want to call your attention. If there's anybody on this call which we have had a discussion with, for you to come to this live and take a live call with us, and you are on this call, please let me know. You can unmute yourself, let me know. You can send me an inbox. You can drop a message in the chat so that I can give you the floor to show us the analysis. If you have not joined our WhatsApp group, join the group. If you have not joined our WhatsApp group, where we are working together as a family, where we drop updates about what we are doing and follow up on what we are doing, please join the WhatsApp group with the link found inside the chat area. Those of you on YouTube, you can join the WhatsApp group through the link found on the description button. So on gold, yesterday, how many of you were here yesterday when we were analyzing gold on 1 hour time frame, when we saw that gold has gone on all-time high yesterday at this level? How many of you were here when we marked the all-time high and we said yesterday that we will not buy gold except we see the price break the all-time high and pull back to the all-time high level, daily high, 2816. And that is where we are going to buy gold from. How many of you were here when we said that? Nobody?
Yeah, I was around. I was there. I was there.
Very good. Yesterday also, we said clearly yesterday that we are not going to sell gold until we see gold break this trend that it was forming yesterday, pull back to the trend before we go down. Gold has never done that, and this is why I am not selling gold. If I will sell gold, I need to see gold break that trend it was creating. As I died yesterday, it didn't break the trade, so I was not a seller of gold. I was more of a buyer of gold. I couldn't take the trade as per buy after it broke because I had to wait for price to come back to daily. When price come back to daily, we began to look for buy position, and ever since then on that buy position, gold has not disappointed us. It has kept that level. So that means we needed to take this out. It's no longer important. We needed to mark that daily zone that gold is respecting. Gold is respecting this daily zone since it broke the all-time high here, created a new high here. So now we don't have an all-time high now here. We have all-time high here. It's now our daily high. Then we have this previous yesterday high as break of structure. So we don't need this one anymore. We don't need this one anymore. So we have this as break of structure. Then we have this zone as the zone that the price is respecting since yesterday. Since yesterday, the price of gold has been respecting this level, 28.14. It has been respecting 28.14. If I turn to line to get accuracy, I will go back to line chart to look for accuracy. I can be able to, adjust this to be more accurate than. This is, I think, most accurate way to draw that. So the tip here, the tip here, the tip here, the tip here, all taking care of the 4 tips. So gold have been respecting that support level. Therefore, if gold at any time today breaks this level, pull back to this level, I will officially begin to sell gold. I want to sell gold pullback. I really want to sell gold pullback because the original buy where we will load a lot of money is a buy that will take out this level first of all. There's a lot of liquidity that I've gathered here and price must take it out, probably through NFP, CPI tomorrow or whatever it is, but they will need to take out all this liquidity that I've gathered here by way of this place before they now go bullish again massively. Now, one of the reasons why gold is going bullish recently is because of what Donald Trump is doing is changing the policy of the entire policy of America. And all this news the guy is bringing up is scaring a lot of people. Recently, the people who go to agricultural farm to go and farm, these people do not have documents. Those people that go and harvest those crops, and right now it's time for harvest. Those people are scared of going to the farm to go and harvest because they don't have papers. They have news all over the space that Trump is chasing out illegal immigrants from America, and so they are not going. And that is affecting the entire economy. A lot of people who are not satisfied or are not comfortable with his policies, they are pulling their money out of the dollar and putting their money in gold. Gold is a safe haven. Gold is an insurance scheme where you keep your money and come back later and pick it up because gold will never go down. I think there's a scripture that says we should buy gold and never sell it. I'll find that scripture. I will show some of you maybe tomorrow. So this place here where the market is respecting happens to be the breakout of previous previous all-time high and retest of that previous all-time high. So the market is respecting it nicely, and I want to continue to buy anytime the market comes there, waiting to see the day the market will break that level before I begin to turn my bias to sell and sell it down until this level is taken out before we look for a buy again and go to another all-time high. So, but until then, I will continue to buy gold. Ladies and gentlemen, I will show you this trade already. If you have not entered this trade from this support level, I don't think you should enter this trade because they don't go leave you. I call out this trade in the WhatsApp groups, and if you are not in that WhatsApp group, please join the WhatsApp group because sometimes when you come before markets open, the setup has already passed. And other times the setup happens after we have gone, we are gone away from the call. So the setup now happens. So when I saw the setup happening before our call, I called that setup early hours of this morning. So, and those of you that are there with me, even if your account is as small as $15, I took a trade on gold, $15. The same analysis I just showed you, look at it. That trade is going on in a profit of $7, $8. It has made at least about 50 to 60% of this account. Because I am not greedy, if I move $15 to $23, I want to close that trade so that I will be rejoicing that I made some money in this account and withdraw $20. So apart from this, also there are also another account where, okay, I didn't take the trade on my Naga $100. I will demonstrate something here. I took the trade also on one equity with this account of 5,000. And this account is now on 60 in profits. Permit me 60 cents. I don't want to say dollars now. So I can close some of the profit right now because the price is moving according to that analysis we dropped in the morning. So if you took that trade, you begin to close some profits. I want to close some profits. So this particular last one now that we are not yet closed, we have not yet taken profit there, we can shift our stop loss to the break even. We change the stop loss back into the break even and allow that last one to go. We'll leave the rest for the broker, because if it doesn't go to TP, it's going to come back and hit our SL. And by so doing, we will not lose any position. We will not lose any money when it does that. And if it doesn't come down, then it's going to continue going all the way up to create all-time high or to hit our take profits. So you see, we have all of that happening on gold on this particular account of 5,000 cents on equity. So today on equity, because of that gold trade, we have been able to rake 34. If it's dollar account $5, we have raked $34. What are you saying? What are you saying? Please, if you want to take a screenshot of this performance, take a screenshot and drop it in the group. Let people know that we are making money here. Please take a screenshot. We're not joking. Take a screenshot of this profits and share it in the group. Let them know that we're not joking here. I'm going to call a trade very soon. I'm just waiting for the market 2:30 to do before we check for a position. So I'm just reviewing all what we have called before I call a trade. So with this being said, the next one is there's another account here. This account was also an account of $45, and we took the trade on this same account, that gold trade, and it's a Naga account, and the trade is currently in profits of over $11, and we are not greedy. We are not greedy. If you take a trade from where it is right now, and you have your stop loss back into break even, if the account is a small account, you've made this kind of percentage. If we have a great mathematician in this house, he will tell us that we have more than 20% profit of the account. So if you have made 20% profit of an account, you should close your trade now. Don't wait until TP. That would be greedy. Do you understand that? So you have to close the position in profits. So you wait for another pullback again and decide to take. Now, if you are trading with a small account like this, you must know that you are willing to lose the account. I said it yesterday. Somebody asked me, do we trade $100 on Naga? I said, yes. If you can trade $100 on Naga, but be willing to lose that $100 anytime. Because if this trade goes against that support level, I'm going to be losing like $10 or $15 and close in stop loss. $10 or $15 out of the $45 account that was there is a terrible loss. You understand? Even $10 out of $100 account is a terrible loss. That's 10% loss. It doesn't make sense to a professional trader. So which is why I always encourage that if you have $100 and that is all you have, put the money in cents account on one equity. $100 will give you 10,000 cents. Am I correct? $100 will give you 10,000 cents. Am I correct? So with that 10,000 cents now, if you lose 10 cents out of it, will it be bad? If you lose 20, will it be bad? As a matter of fact, even if you lose 200 cents, it's not bad, because 200 cents is only $2. And it will take you 50 pips in 5 places for you to lose 200 cents. So you see why we say use cent account, because of your capital. But if you know you are willing to risk that capital of $50, of $30, of $10, just like I have done, you can equally trade like this on Naga with your $10, with your $20, with your $50, with your $100. Do you understand? But you must be willing to sacrifice it. If you know you're not willing to lose that hard-earned money, convert it to cents and be trading it JJ, you will not have any problem. Are we together? So the next one I want to show you here is a trade we took here on XNext and also in profits. So I was going to close this trade in profit because this trade is a baby account and we want to show some profits. So you see today, whole of today, we have been able to rake 42. If it's a dollar account now, we have for $2 there. Just today on the same thing we're talking about. So please, I'd like you to take screenshots all the time so that we can be able to, have content in the groups. You can share it on WhatsApp status, tell them that this is our live trading, this is what money we made. So I'm sorry for those of you who did not take this trade. It's not my fault. The trade is in the WhatsApp group. So if you have not joined our WhatsApp group, join the WhatsApp group so that you can get the trade. Whenever the position sets and we are not on live, we'll post the trade there. It has its profits. Some people say they are gold have its profits. Are you ready to present your copy? Please disconnect that guy first. Suspend him so that he doesn't take another trade. Because I want you to withdraw. Suspend him. Yeah. So I want to show you something we are doing on Naga. Yesterday, my friend here who came on live in trading with us here on this floor on Naga, he deposited $200 and I showed him some trick on the copy trading on Naga. You cannot find this on another broker. It's only on Naga. And when he applied that trick with his $200, how much in profit are you now?
Now
$74. Are you flat? Have you closed all the trade?
yes.
Close all the trade, suspend the trader. He made a profit of $74 from $200 yesterday that I just showed him the trick. Suspend the trader. And they say, thank you, James. Thank you, James. Thank you, James. We copied 2 traders at the same time. 1% copy. And these traders they are 90% what's it called? Win rates. They are 90% win rate. One of them is from Germany. The other one is from Australia. We copied the 2 of them at the same time. And why we copied them was because we analyzed their performance. And we saw that their performance was in accordance to what we know and understand. So we leverage. Somebody type leverage. Leverage. No matter how good you are as a trader, you need to leverage. No matter how good you are as a business person, you need to leverage. So we leverage on those professional traders. On Naga, somebody type leverage. Somebody type leverage. Somebody type leverage. So I show him how to leverage with 1%. And today is in a profit of $74 from $200. I'm not excited. I'm not excited, but I'm just telling you that this is possible. As a matter of fact, I told him yesterday, I say it's risky. It's risky. Because if you want to do that, profit is coming up, you have nothing less than $2,000 in your trading account. Because if trades are in drawdown, it's going to discourage you. If you are not talking to us, please, you have to mute if you are not talking to us. I'm going to allow him to present by himself, but let me finish running through closing this position. I took also this trade also, you can see my screen. I took also this trade also on a cent account. As you can see, if it was a dollar account, we have $271 now, right? A cent account. Are you seeing my screen? Please take a screenshot of the screen and post it in the group. I took this trade yesterday, and this is an MT5. So I can decide to close all the gold position. Block closing. I go to the block operation. I go to block operation MT5. This is the advantage of MT5 over MT4. Somebody asked me, say, why is MT5 better than MT4? You don't know how to deactivate him? Go to your own copy, then open the trader to the right-hand side. You'll see where to go to your menu. Go to your menu, feed, my feed, menu, copy trade, then you open the trader, deactivate. Sorry, excuse me, I think we need to do this before we proceed. Just a moment, guys, please. I need to deactivate active trader. This guy, wait. Done. Deactivated the trader. So we are going to do. So MT5 has advantage over MT4 because you are seeing what you are seeing right now. So I can close all position on gold. Close. All the gold position closes at the same time, automatic. So that is the advantage of MT5. I don't have to be closing one by one. MT4, you must close one by one. Then I have 2 positions. One of them was from we have a trading tool from America by Dr. Trisha. I will show you those 2 maybe one of the days in the live call. We have a trading tool from America. That trading tool showed us a trade. I will show you the tool maybe tomorrow. It showed us a trade on Euro JPY and NZD JPY. It's called FX Atlas. I bought that tool for $150. And if you want to buy that trading tool, I will also be able to give you that tool to buy it. It's from Dr. Trisha from America. And they have a large trading room in America, a very big multi-million-dollar trading company. So, and they usually call high probability trade every day in 6 different channels. So I subscribe to that channel. And and they don't just call the trade, they give you reasons why they are calling the trade. They have scanners and machines that check the entire market, stock market, forex market, crypto market, futures market, all the market, bonds market. They give you full analysis every day. So, and they make my work easy. So I don't have to be checking which market is okay now, which market should I check now. So some people have done the work using machines, algorithm, tools, softwares. My own is just to confirm if it's in line with my trade, and I just take the trade. So if you want such access to such tools, you reach out to me. I'm going to link you up to Dr. Trisha. You know me, I'm not stingy now. You will buy it for $150. It's actually for $550, but because of Africa, Dr. Tisha was able to make it subsidized so that people like us can buy. Me, I can't buy a tool for $500 right now. As a trader, you need trading tools. Somebody type tools. As a trader, you need trading tools. Somebody type tools. Type tools in the chat box. You need trading tools. Somebody type tools. I've talked about leverage. I'm talking about tools now. I'll call it trade now. We're almost 1:30. I'll call it trade. We need trading tools. So if you're not willing to pay for trading tools, then you will pay the money for trading tools. You pay to the market. When you chop stop loss, you are tired of chopping stop loss, you pay for tools. One of my friends, Blessing Agbasha, he pays for a tool called Commitment of Traders, COT, from Chicago Mercantile Exchange. He's paying $500 for that tools every month. As a trader, you need trading tools. So one of the tools I have is from Trisha and from America, and that tool is $150. If I give you that tool, you will thank me for it. You will thank me for it. You will know everything happening in the whole market by just checking the trading tools, the trading tool. Any day, anytime, you analyze from the tool and you see the tool, you see what Euro USD is doing, you see what, you will see the breakdown of another trader that is in a floor of an exchange. I will show you probably tomorrow, so you don't just say, I'm telling you what I'm not saying. I'm telling you what I'm not showing you. I have another account here of 2,800 and, okay, the account hit take profits. Yeah. The account already hit take profits. You take profit of $36. This is a dollar account, not a cent account. I beg your pardon, please. It's a dollar account. So we now have $36 on that gold. I think all the other accounts too would have closed in profit too. Let me check on my MT4. I think I have some trade. All these ones too. This one has gone high. Please take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Somebody type power on the chat box. Type power. Type power on the chat box. We made some crazy profit today. Type power on the chat box. Power. So let's close the trade. You go to the left-hand side. You go to that icon. No, not this one. Oh, this is MT4. So we have to close one by one. Oh, shit. This is MT4. We have to close one by one. This gold trade, we call it in the WhatsApp group. If you are not in our WhatsApp group, join the WhatsApp group so that you can be part of us. Register your account on Naga. Register your account on One Equity. If you don't have money, do cent account with One Equity, just like this. My account is a cent account that started from 1,000 cents and today is 2,000 cents. So it has doubled. And this same account, I will keep trading it until it becomes 100,000 cents. And the account is not risky because we reduce the risk. So if you don't have money, I strongly advise you use cent account so you manage what you have. But if you have enough money, you can go to dollar account. Or if you have money, you are willing to lose the small money you have, then glory be to God. Glory be to God, right? Please scatter the whole WhatsApp group. Take screenshot, and keep taking screenshots until everybody sees what we have. So today already we have ranked 352. Today we have ranked 300. Look at the dates. 4th. We have ranked 352. So I dropped this trade in the WhatsApp group. If you are not in the WhatsApp group, we called this trade earlier. You need to go to the WhatsApp group and you need to join the WhatsApp group so that you can see the trade that we have called. I was talking about trade called by FX Pro Antenna. These two trades are called from America. The first one came in early hours of the morning, 8:05. If you look at my screen. Oh, I can't share my screen. I can't share my screen on this device. Let me see if I can share on this device. So they are not allowing me to share my screen on this device because it's a paid session, it's a paid tool. So they will not allow people to have that kind of access. So, but let me see if I can override it with my... Just a moment, please. Let me see if I can override Telegram. Don't worry, I'll call it trade now, please. When we came earlier, I was asking if there's any trader that is here to show us a trade, and I didn't. Wait, we'll do it together. Let me just run up. We'll do it together. And I didn't see anybody who's sharing the screen. Mohammed, please don't try me. Mohammed, don't try me. I asked you to unmute your mic, and you refuse to unmute your mic, and in the middle of my presentation, you are sharing your screen. Don't try me. I'm going. Don't let me threaten you here. Don't try me. I've called you several times. You didn't reply.
Sorry, sir.
And you are sharing your screen. Don't do that. Don't joke with me, bro. All right. So I told you about the trading tool from America. This is one of it, FX Pro Insights. Here they are talking about, what are they talking about today? They are talking, this is today, yeah. They are talking about a live trade going on right now on layering gold on live trading right here. And I think we took this one, but I didn't take it from them. We did our analysis together. Then I spoke also about antenna, FX Pro antenna. For today, they called out GBPUSD on a sell, and I showed you one of my accounts that was holding that position. Then they also called out Euro JPY on a buy. The parameters are there, and they do this every day. They do this every day. If you go down here, there's also another room that they call out FX Pro Delta. They called out, the last call was on Friday, February 3. They called out XAU on a buy, and you can see all people interacting there. Then also, there's also another room, FX Pro Atlas, where they give us full analysis of GBP CHF. And the last trade call was a follow-up on GBP CHF, which is currently still ranging. Then there is also another room of FX Pro Zeta on the same company, all from America, where we have a trade on 31st January on Euro AUD, which is currently in description right now, and nothing is being done about it. They are all swing position. Then there is also a crypto Atlas, where as at 30 January, they were talking about crypto core, and it was a, this is a new update just dropping now on BTC USD, a full analysis from the trade room. A lot of guys are committed to bringing this market explanation and analysis and insights. It's called Trade Idea on the crypto core trade alerts. Here is also going on right there. Then there's also alert stone. Okay, the alert stone that gets you into the system. Then there is also results. There's a place where they post their results, their general results of the week. Because of time, I will not be able to pull through with that. So right now, I'm going to proceed to allow my brother to talk about copy trading. Then I will come back to call a trade. No, let me go and call a trade first. Let me call a trade first. Take profit hits. So we are done with gold. I want to go call a trade on. No, we are not calling. We have not called. No, don't take any trade. We are doing withdrawal. We've already taken the trade gold, and everybody's in profit. So let me look for GBPUSD. So I can give a trade to somebody. For me, I think I'm done for the day based on what we have on gold. I'm done for the day. So based on what I can see on GBPUSD, there's still a high that's about to be taken on GBPUSD, 1.24779. So if you have not taken any trade today and you want to take a trade today, this is your trade. 1.279 GBPUSD. This is the support that is holding that price. So if you have not taken any trade today on GBPUSD, this is your trade, 1.279. You are taking that trade right now. Buy now. GBPUSD, buy now. 1.2, you are entering right now at 1.2416. Your stop loss is at 1.2374. Your take profit is at 1.2476. You can go higher than that, but I think what's this? Let me see which resistance is this. Let me see on daily time frame. Yesterday's move, we had a massive bullish candle yesterday. So we have a pullback today, and we are coming up from that pullback. So I think it's going to go above yesterday's candle. The first take profit is even here. This is the first take profits yesterday. Then if I change to line chart to understand better, then if I change to line charts, this high should be here. Really? Somebody say I'm not sharing my screen. Okay. And nobody is saying anything. Everybody is just keeping quiet.
Yes, you know.
Make una dey open our mic now. Because me, I don't go live now. So I was showing line chart. I said GBPUSD is what we are trading now. If you have not taken any trade GBPUSD. The first take profit is 1.2450. That's the first take profit. Right now, what is happening in GBPUSD, if you look at it, is this from this support from this resistance to this support, and we are at 618. So key level right now, we're entering the trade as key level. Is a very good PDRA. Our PDRA is good. Then we can keep entering a buy as long as possible. Just keep loading Martingale buys until we get to first take profit at 1244. Then the final take profit is at 124.99. And again, the reason is because dollar is relatively weak because of Donald Trump, what he's doing in America. Dollar won't be strong until his policy begins to become stronger, probably by ending of the month, after NFP news, another NFP again, then we begin to see dollar strength rising. His policies are good and he has plans, but then the policies are against the previous policies on ground. Therefore, the economy must respond to that policy. And the response is that the dollar is going to be weak. That's normal, sentimentally speaking. But on the chart here, we are relatively bullish on GBPUSD. You can see the daily time frame. We are in bullish move. And based on the last push of the market, if you look at this particular low that was created to this particular high, we have the price drop down to 618 level and begin to push up again to the upside. That means we are still relatively bullish on the daily time frame. I don't want to go to monthly because of we are trying to scalp and Martingale. So if you go down to 4 hours and convert, you can see my screen, right? And convert your screen back to candles, you'll be able to see a lot of reasons why we are bullish on GBPUSD. You'll be able to see that clearly. My screen is hooking up, but then we have to wait for it. So while I'm waiting, but we are on a buy. Please, if you have not buy GBPUSD, buy now. If you have not buy GBPUSD, please buy now. Those of you dropping screenshots in the group, please can you kindly let them know that we are live on the call. So here again on GBPUSD 4 hours time frame, you can see a clear bullish engulfing. Right here on our key level, we have a clear bullish engulfing. This is another very strong reason why we have to buy GBPUSD. There's a clear bullish engulfing right there. So it's a clear indication why we have to buy GBPUSD right now. If you have buy GBPUSD right now, we're in profits. I want to enter that position too. GBPUSD buy now, we're in profit, guys. GBPUSD, if you have not bought, you can still buy now. Buy now, we're in profit already. I'm entering that position. I'm entering 0.03. I'm entering like, I'm entering 3 times. If you drop down again, I'll enter again. I'll keep entering this position until I see the price close below this level. If price close below this level, I'll stop buying. I'll stop buying when I see price close below this level. I'll keep buying. As it's coming down, I'm buying. If it comes down, I'll buy again. After I hit this stop loss, I will not close my stop loss. I'll buy again because I'm using a cent account. If it comes down here, I'll buy again. If it comes down here, I'll buy again. If it comes down here, I'll buy again. If it's change character, I'll buy again. Then the move will start and we're going to take profits. So Martingale, I'll buy here, I'll buy here, I'll buy here, I'll buy here. Then we'll start going all the way upward. But if it doesn't come down, the position that I've already entered, which is in profits, I will hold that position to first take profits. I'll take some profits. I'll hold the position to second take profit. I will close all my trade. If you want me to repeat what I've said, is trade management. Martingale, we have a bullish engulfing H4. I'll buy now. If it comes down, I'll buy again. If it comes down, I'll buy again because we have a strong bullish move on this side. So there's an order block here. There's also a previous support level here. There's a rejection candle here. There's a morning star candle here. So there are many reasons why I have to load more buys from here. In fact, my friend Wisdom Ariko would prefer to wait until the price comes down here before he buys. But I'm sorry, I'm not Wisdom Ariko. I want to buy right now. And when it comes down again, I buy again. When it comes down, when it gets to where Wisdom Marico is, I will load more buys there because I am Martingale James Ochima. I want to scale it. I want to slay the market. I want to kill them, die.
Martingale James.
I'm Martingale James. I'm not Wisdom Marico. Marico is a gentle guy. He's going to wait until price comes down here before he buy. Me, I will start loading it from here. Because I see bullish engulfing. If it comes down here, I'll buy again. Comes down here, I'll find a reason to buy again. I'm not just buying again. I'll go to M15 and look for structural buy again. I'll go down M15, look for structural buy again. I'll go down. When it comes to Arico's buy area, I will load that buy like tomorrow, no day. As it's moving, I'm closing profit. As it's moving, I'm closing profit. As it's moving, I'm closing profits. Then it finally gets to destination. All of us will be making the same amount of money. But there are some times that the market will not come down the way Arico wants it. It will start going up from here until we get to destination. And the reason why the market will do that is because gold has already done it. Gold is the same thing Bitcoin is to other cryptos. If gold does a move against the dollar, look at every other pair that is trading against the dollar. You will see they will do similar thing that gold is doing, especially if gold is obviously moving. It simply tells that the dollar is weak. So any other currency trading against the dollar will suffer. Or, sorry, we enjoy. So you want to use it as one of your key indicators for the strength of dollar. Well, I'm just saying, based on my experience, so maybe you might argue with it. So with that being said, I am going to for long, and it's still on GBPUSD, right? It's agreeing with your analysis on GBPUSD. So right now, whatever happens right now, I don't care. I'll keep loading on the buy on GBPUSD. If you have not entered, please keep entering. Don't don't shoot all your bullets at once. Like me now, I enter 3 positions on a cent account, right? So I will wait to see what happens. If it's not going my way, if it's coming down, I still have 3 more positions to enter. If it's not going, it goes down again. I enter another 3 more positions. If it's not going, it goes down again. And I come again. Then when it goes to the final area where we have other block, I'll put all my position. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. As it moves small, I'm already in profit. All the other old trade that I draw down, I will close everything together. So I'm flat. In mass profits, I'm flat. And sometimes the market will not come down the way I'm explaining. It will just, if you go to 5 minutes time frame, you see the market close already 5 minutes bullish. So based on scalper, and this is market open. Market open, price is closing bullish. At market open, you know that we cannot come down. Pre-market, the price was bullish. Now market open, price is closing bullish. So you should know that we are going in. Somebody says snapper entry, go snapper entry 1:18 RRR done. Thank you in the WhatsApp group. Please, if you have not joined our WhatsApp group, the link is on the chat box. Please join our WhatsApp group so that you can register with Naga, register with One Equity, and then get prizes, get gifts, be part of what we are doing, get all the updates that we are doing, and then we'll move like that. Take Profit 2 is here. So we watch and see. I have an entry from here. Then I also have another major entry from here. I will see structure actually before I enter that one, because that place is the final bus stop. If this place doesn't respond to what we want, what we are going to see is a full reversal. We are going down officially. Do you get my point? We are going down officially from this place. If it doesn't respond to what we want and it changed, we are going down officially. The dollar is now strong. But until then, we are bullish on the dollar. We are bullish on GBPUSD. Dollar is weak. I don't trade gold. So you have GBPUSD, so you can jump in right now. GBPUSD buy, please. So we are done. So I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I'm going to allow my friend to share his screen to show us what he did yesterday. I showed him something on Naga, copy trading, and he used that thing on Naga, and he made $75, and we are withdrawing it right now on this call. Share your screen. Tell us how you feel. Tell us your testimony. Why is it that anytime I give you screen, that's when you are busy? If Rico now, if we don't start talking, yo. If I give Rico mic now, you say yo, guys. He will start flowing. See now, I don't give you mic now. We don't spend almost 1 hour. They wait for you. What is loading? You open your mic and show us your naga. Are you sharing from here?
Yo.
yo.
Copyright infringement.
Yo.
Well, we are in Forex, and there's no crime in copying.
Copyright infringement.
Pay your dues.
He's sharing his screen now. This is your screen. I know you here. Unmute yourself. So Akumi, I'm sure they can hear you from here, so you don't need to unmute. Let me see. No, you can use my mic here. Okay. So show us, go to Naga. MT5. Go to your MT5. Okay.
Yeah, I'm right on my MT5.
You are right on.
I hope my screen is here.
Your screen is showing clearly.
Yes, this is my MT5.
Okay.
And this is the history of the copy trading, which I have $75 on it, which I did with Mr. Kim yesterday. We discussed at the length.
Yes.
And he asked me and he showed me how to copy the trader, top trader at the Naga.
Yes.
Which I was very, very afraid. I was very afraid.
Yes.
Later on, he said I should pick also because their percentage which they used to rate the trader.
It's called win rate.
Win rate.
Yes.
Which we took, the guy is 90-something.
98% win rate. Yes.
Which I copy straight. And the long run, yesterday we had almost $40-something.
Yes.
Night. But this morning, I also noticed there are some trade the guy loaded.
Yes.
Which we just of business, making everything $75.
Yes.
95 cents.
Yes.
Is a testimony, it's a great testimony. I think if I even leave it for a day or 2 days.
Yes.
Can you imagine I would have up to $100?
Yes.
With almost more than 50% of my
deposit.
My deposit.
Yes.
I was very, 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 very surprised and I was very, very happy.
Yes. And you don't know the trader.
I don't even know the trader.
You don't need to know him.
I don't need to know him.
You don't pay the trader.
I don't pay him. I don't even see him.
You don't even see him before.
We don't even discuss.
We don't discuss. We don't pay subscription.
Everything, please go to bed, copy the trade, win and close the trade. For me, I was so surprised and all the trade, it took almost 99% of the trade accurate. Because he has a track record over 8 months. I showed you. Yes.
He has a win rate of 98%.
Yes.
So it means 98% of all his trade always close in profit.
Yes.
But why I'm scared about your account is because your capital is small. You may not know how long his drawdown will take. No trader is without a drawdown.
Yes.
Every trader has drawdown. So for the fact that 98% win rate exists, it also means that there is some trades in drawdown. I don't know how long he used to hold those trades in drawdown. So if your capital is small, he will still be loading new trades and be making profit, but some other trade are in drawdown. What if your capital cannot withstand the drawdown? It will affect you, but he will continue being trading because you can see the balance of the trader is at $67,000, and you can see his risk is small, and your own lot size is 0.01, and you keep loading new position, which you later close. So you need to have a capital of $1,000 or $2,000. What you will make in a month, it will surprise you, Jama Allah. It will surprise you. I'm telling you real life evidence, and I thank God that this is his account, and we are showing from his account. This is possible. That is my message. This is possible. But it's too aggressive if you have a small account. Now you now see why I say you need to do $500 account. Like you now, you have $500 account. The moment you set up now, he is going to show you the trader that is performing this magic. Now, it's not really about the trader. You need to understand that. You can copy anybody in Naga. You can copy me. You can copy. We copied 2 traders yesterday. 2. Go open your Naga. We copied 2 traders at the same time. Because two of them were trading and they all have high win rates. I say, this one too much. Account balance cannot withstand this. So let's remove one of the trader. We suspended one of the trader. Then the other one was trading. Now I say, this profit have gone far. Oh. Let's withdraw. Go back. I want to see the balance. Go back. I want to see the balance. This is the balance. $265. So let's go to your copy, go to your profile. I want to see the copy trading on Naga. Okay, you refresh it. It's $274. Oh my goodness. So go to your profile, top right hand side. I want to see your copy trading. This is your profile, right?
Yeah.
Go down, let me see. Okay, you have not updated your profile about me, all those Kinikon. Go to your menu. I want to see your menu. Go to your menu. Menu is down, bottom right hand side. If you download the app, you can even do all this thing faster, but no problem. Bottom right hand side, menu. There's a bottom right, there's a corner there, there's a menu there. Yeah. There's 3 lines. Good, good. See copy trading, right? Touch that copy trading. Open up. Good. So this is your active. There's no active trade. Touch that active. Active up. Up. Yeah, touch it. Touch it. The middle one. There is no active trade. You are not copying anybody right now. But yesterday you were copying somebody. So you can copy and uncopy anytime, anybody, any amount of people. But the most important is for you to be able to evaluate a good trader based on his win rates and based on the type of trade he's taking. I will show you. So it's a simple trick. And you wake up in the morning, you can change a trader from Germany to Saudi Arabia. You're not looking for trader. Traders are all over the world. Naga is a German broker. Traders are all over the world doing crazy things with crazy amount of money, and you don't need to hire them. You just leverage, and you are using them. You are not paying them. Naga is paying them. I don't know why you should be broke in 2025. I don't know. I don't know why you should be broke. $74. $74 yesterday without doing anything. Okay, go to inactive. Let me show them the trader you copy so that they can go and maybe try that trader too. But like I said, it's not really about the trader. Some traders can be very aggressive. See, go back there. Let me take a screenshot there. Go back there. Let me take a screenshot. I saw something like 50%. Okay, actually. Screw up. Let me see. Stop there. Overall results. Yesterday, in fact, your money was not even up to $200. It's 184. $52. What am I saying? Anyway, let's go up. Go up. Let's see inactive. Let me see the inactive. Let me see the traders you copied. 5 losing trade out of how many? No, these are the trade. NASDAQ, US 30, German 30, US crude cash. What I want now is this one, inactive. No, inactive here. This one, inactive. Inactive is showing you the traders that you copy. Please, those of you on the YouTube and those of you on the Zoom, is it making sense? I want to know whether I need to stop. Please check Euro USD again. No, please, we have taken GBPUSD. Let's leave Euro USD alone first.
Yeah, it's making sense.
Good, thank you. Inactive now is showing you the traders that he copied yesterday that he made $74. And those traders have win rate of over 90%. That's the code. Follow trader who their win rate is high because they tend to close their trade faster. That's what it means. Because if they have a high win rate, they can have drawdown. But that high win rate is caused by the ability to close trade faster, scalping and martingale. You know, pass like that. Are you getting me now? And you'll be seeing their position, though. You'll be seeing their position. And somebody can copy you while you are copying other people. And the broker will pay you because somebody is copying you from anywhere in the world. You don't need to look for investors. You are copying somebody. Somebody is copying you. Broker is paying you because somebody is copying you. Just update your profile, do your KYC, and somebody can be copying you. When they see your performance is good, they'll start copying you. Are you getting it? So everything is automatic here. So take a screenshot, go and check these guys out. Maybe you may like to copy them. The first guy, we disconnected that guy yesterday because, oh my God, the guy was stacking the trade. I said, no. This guy has a win rate, but I beg, my mind should come off my mouth right now. This is your capital. Your capital is not capital enough to accommodate this guy. So we had to suspend that guy. Then the second guy is doing the thing based on sessions. This is based on session and each trade close based on analysis. So the thing was like making more sense. So I said, okay, leave only this trader. Let's see.
It was Martingale.
It was the Martingale, yeah, I did, right? Coming down. It will load on that one. It will load. Go up. It will close that up one and leave one to continue running, like I just explained. So when you see a trader, when you testing a trader, you see that this guy is doing what you want. You leverage. That's the word. You leverage. You don't have to trade by yourself. Why do I have? I'm in a class right now. I'm copying some people. They are trading for me. So you leverage. You have somebody that wants to learn how to trade forex and he has money. You give them your link, they register. You show them how to leverage on any of the professional traders. They leverage. While they are trading, the broker is paying you rebate. Yesterday, I made $58. I don't have to trade. I didn't do anything. So there is no reason why any of you should be broke. So now let's go to, it's more than a salary now. Let's go to what is the stop loss and take profit, please? For Roku, don't make me lose funds. Like you sabi. Go and follow Roku.
We're talking about the GU.
GU, okay, it's responding to GU. So let me see. So do you have anything to say? Do a withdrawal, process a withdrawal right now on this call. Please, let's be patient. I will check GU now. Don't be in a hurry. The market will go in our favor. Let me see how many minutes we have left. 3 o'clock. Oh, we'll round up now. Process a withdrawal right now on Naga. No, not that place. Go to menu. Down, bottom right-hand side.
Manage fund.
Manage fund, yes. You deposit through crypto, right?
Mm-hmm.
Naira?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Cora, oh, yeah. Process.
$76.
Yeah, $76.
$76.
Is this card I'm seeing here? Destination is card now. Change your, is it your card? So change that destination.
Bank.
Bank now. Cora Pay. So currency, go to currency, change the currency to, you can withdraw 70, leave that $5 for the market. So that if you are seeing drawdown of $5, it will not be paying you. You understand? That's what I used to do. Withdrawing round figure. So you are withdrawing $116 for coming here. Congratulations. When I'm begging people to come, they are doing me shakara. Stay down at home now.
You guys miss a lot.
So you don't see them now.
You miss a lot.
Pull your process your withdrawal. A person you be. You say you don't have transport. That's why you didn't come. See person that have transport. He came and he got back his transport because of little faith. Don't worry, we'll check GBPUSD now. Yeah, withdraw. Proceed. Okay, that's your 9 bank payments. Is your account? Eh? They say they're asking for your account. Select your bank. Your screen is not active. It's loading. This is what you are withdrawing now. Transaction declined. Transaction rejected. Done. Click on done. Click on done. Go back. Let's repeat again. You did not put your bank now.
He didn't put his bank account.
So bring your own bank account. Let's put it abeg. Click on done now. Let's
I don't follow trade though.
You say?
I don't follow copy trade though.
You don't follow copy trade, Abi?
No, I say I don't follow and copy that trade though.
So you cannot bring your account. Let's send the money to you. Go to manage fund.
Who was sweating yesterday? Naim now. So make you enjoy your money.
Okay. You don't hear that now. They say that you sweat. So go to withdrawal. Click for withdrawal now. Withdrawal day up now. You are making this withdrawal long. Go. Click on withdrawal. Change that card to bank. Your phone is contributing to. There's a cancel up there. Go and cancel it. Yeah, we'll do your own problem. Your own is not the problem. Kurape, change that Naira currency to USD. Okay, leave that one. Just come to amount, USD amount. Put your 70 there. Now, there's something Naga is trying to do. They are trying to do a card. So you don't have to do this process. Once you close trade like this, just carry the card, go POS. You see, the money is already inside your card.
Great. Amazing.
Just carry the card, go POS.
So you can convert directly to Naira.
That's what we are saying now. Just carry your card, go and slaughter in Mama Iyabo and pay. Scroll down small.
Wahala. Not they go receive credit be that too. Like they will bomb the account now.
Kura is the one to run the transaction. Tap on withdrawal. Be gentle. Let's be doing this in step by step so you don't miss. There's an important space. You have already requested a withdrawal. You will be able to place another withdrawal after 5 minutes. Okay, so hold on, wait, listen. Kura is the one running the transaction. When you get to this stage, the next stage, Kura will ask you, what is your bank account? So you provide your bank account. There's bank account selection there. No, you can't do this now until after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes. So it will request for which bank account. Then when you provide the bank account, the name on that bank account must be the same name you use when you were depositing. If I use the same account, you use to deposit. So Kora will just check if it's the same person. They will release the money to you. Do you understand? So and once it's done, drop the screenshots in the group. Let everybody see the withdrawal. So as you are doing it now, once it's done, drop the screenshot. When I see it, then I will call it. Because of time, we have to go. So, but if you withdraw this money, you have to do a giveaway of like 10,000 naira to the group. So anybody that registered today and fund today will share that giveaway for you, 5K. So register and fund $5,000, 5,000. Can you do $5,000? 5,000 naira giveaway to 2 people. If you deposit on Naga and you fund on Naga, you get 5,000 naira given to you by this withdrawal we are making today. So that you too go follow no say now withdrawal we make for this call. So we are giving you. So So where is your link? Let's go and look for your link. Go to menu, top right hand side. Menu, top right hand side, that arrow. Is it? Scroll down. Okay, no be here. Is under that menu, that down one. It's not going to be here. Menu, that bottom right hand side. There's a menu there. Scroll down. It's here. Scroll down. Refer a friend. Everybody has this. Refer a friend. Everybody has it. Open it. Refer a friend. Open it. Copy. Put it in the chat box right now. Chat box. Anybody that creates his accounts on that link, Put it on this Zoom call now. And if fund the account, that's the person you are dashing that 5,000 naira. Because the person is under you. Okay. Do you understand? Through my link. Through your link. That create an account and fund the account. You dash on 5,000 naira. You will see it on your back office now. The person is under you. If you go under referral, you will see somebody under you. Do you understand? So anybody that create accounts through this link, so you see it. So you type it now and make the message. Type that message inside the chat box. Say, anybody that creates his Naga account, fund the Naga account, I will dash you 5,000 naira. Put your phone number there so that they will contact you to collect their money. Do you understand now?
Because I tell you, $5,000.
Is that what I'm saying? But you know that's not what I mean, right? Okay, we are done with my friend Akiwumi. Please go and celebrate Akiwumi in the group, not in the chat box. Celebrate him in the group so that people will know that we are. We are in profit. GBPUSD, we are in profit. Woo! We are in profit. I didn't want to make pay you now. GBPUSD, we are in profit. Woo! How many pips profit are we on? We are in profit. GBPUSD. Those of you that say one stop loss. See, we're in profit. We're in profit of 24 pips. Woo! We're almost heading to TP1. GBPUSD, we're in profit. Let me go down to 15 minutes time frame and show you guys. Those of you that just joined us today, you can see we are not playing. Yesterday we came, Euro USD, we're in profit. This morning again we came, gold, right? We hit profit. How many pips profit in gold did we do? Let me check. This morning we called a gold trade and we hit profit. Yesterday we hit 95%, 95 pips profits, live trading. This morning we called a trade in the WhatsApp group. From here, from this support, we called that trade. We went all the way to take profit 32, 33. That's 218 pips. So let me write it on the chart. Euro USD. Somebody please be recording this for Euro USD. Day 1. 95 pips. So those of you that are participating, I have iPhone 13 for you. This is the participation I'm talking about. Cannot be doing all this thing by myself. XAU USD Day 2. Maybe you can be writing the direction by. We had 210 pips. 210 pips. 95 pips. Download the app. XAU USD Day 2. No need to write that by. We'll just write 210. You can write by for those one traders. No, I mean it's like we're writing a result of what we have done. So no need to write whether buy or sell. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't matter again. So day 3, still on day 2 again. We did GBPUSD. GBPUSD Day 2. Any day we have stop loss to come and write it. We'll write how many pips we lose. So what percentage are we? TP1 is my target for this call. TP1. But after TP1, we will lock the profits and watch out for TP2. Watch out for TP2. So we are currently in profit. On my device here, I'm seeing the trade. The one I opened, I said we're opening that position, right? Otilo. I'm in profit though. Massive profit. So we entered from this support level. There's another block there. There's a breaker block here that was violated. Price came back and respected it, pushed to the upside, and broke a level here. Smaller time frame analysis now, M30. And price came back again, respected it nicely, formed a morning star, push up, came down, formed a higher low, and begin to push up. So we began to buy this trade from this three bottom from this level here. The stop loss is for this particular entry. The stop loss is here because of this guy. Because of this guy, this other block is responsible for this damage. This other block is responsible for this push to the upside. Then, yeah, and ever since this other block was formed, price was respecting this level. So if we enter here, our stop loss will be this other block, not here, because market can use this one as liquidity.
Can come and test the
It can, yeah, market can use this guy and sweep this liquidity, yes. So, but because market opened from here, you know, when market opened from here, so it gave us that idea that market will just go when it's open. If it's able to break structure, that means we don't go with that. Otilo Asiwaju. If it's able to, yeah, if it's able to break this high, then our stop loss now will be brought back to break even. You understand? So we'll have no risk. But first of all, we need to break a structure. If we don't break structure, we'll be martingale this buy until we get here. We set an account. In fact, for me, on higher time frame, for me, because my cent account is big enough, I can martingale this buy until we get here. Wow. Because this place is the original zone where the price could not break from higher time frame. So I can be martingale this buy. We are still bullish until this place is violated. So, but for people with smaller accounts, once the other block is violated here, just close all your trade. That's the stop loss. So somebody asking me for stop loss, your unofficial stop loss for smaller accounts, 1.2334 is there. Why? The first take profits, but you know that the original move is from here. So the first take profit is this 1.2453. That's why I expect you to close some of your trade. If you enter 2 or 3 positions, like I did, I entered 3 positions, I will take 2 of the profits at 1.2475, because there's a resistance level here that if you look backward, there's also a resistance here. There's also resistance here. Do you see it? So there are several resistance, 1, 2, 3. This is 30 minutes time frame. So this resistance can reject that price. So this is market open, and I did not see anything like fair value gap created here that I would say there's a strong push. The only thing I see here is a morning star. So if I thought there was strong market candle, fair value gap, I will be confident about breaking this place. So right now there are no fair value gaps. So price can just come to this place and begin to range or even drop back. So that's why this place is my TP1. And TP1 by a number of pips from here, we have already gone 40 pips. So TP1 is 50 pips. So it makes a lot of sense, right? So we have gone 40 pips. So TP1 is 50 pips. So the moment we reach 50 pips, for me, we are done for the day. For the day, based on scalping and martingale, right? The price did not go down for us to pull back to do any martingale. So we just did only scalping. In that case, once that thing is going to my TP1, I will forget about anything stop loss. I will take 2 of my profits, and the third position I took, because I took 3 positions, I'll put the stop loss inside the entry, so that I'll move my stop loss to entry, so that if there's a break and retest that did not come back again, that one will be taking me all the way to the original destination is here. Because if you go to higher time frame, you notice that this place was a side where we have analyzed a long time ago that price was going to come there, and price has not come that place yet. TP3, that's giving us 200. This one is TP1. This one. This one. Yeah, this one is also another important take profit area, right? There was a rejection there, so it's another TP. Let's say TP2, right? Then the third one is TP3 here. So that's our final destination for gold. So this range is no longer important. We used this range before, but we no longer need it. So this gap was filled and price break into the range and continue going. So what we have now here is me, I still think price is going to go and complete this place. Because if you look here, you see this place, right? Yes. So, and if you look at time frame, it's like a balanced price range. Price is back into the range. Yes. So price is back into the range. And for me, H4, we have a bullish engulfing here. You see bullish engulfing. Mm-hmm. Then you see rejection after the test of the bullish engulfing. So you see the movement is moving. So if you go down to 1 hour time frame, you also see that we have bullish momentum since yesterday on 1 hour time frame. And we have a nice pullback, then a continuation on the 1 hour time frame. Look at what I'm saying. On 1 hour time frame, bullish momentum break into the range, bullish momentum break of structure, a pullback to breaker block, a little push, a pullback again, a continuation from breaker block. So if we're able to break this zone, I'll take profits, leave the rest to continue going. If we cannot break this zone, when I reach here, I'll lock in my profits, leave one of them to keep going upwards. If we go upwards and get to TP2, I will move the SL to TP1. Then I'll wait for TP3. If it doesn't come, I'm still very okay. I've made profits. So I'm sure I've been able to explain the entire trade. With all of these, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of today's call. But for the purpose of recap on Naga copy trade system, please, if anybody is hearing me, go and emphasize that you are hearing me. If you are hearing me, please put on the chat box that we are here. We are with you. What is a stop loss? I've done that. Can you explain the Martingale or share a video you had on it? Okay, I will share a video because there's no time right now. I will share a video. Thank you. So now I want to explain copy trading. I want to do it by explaining it. This is a practical session. I want to do it by explaining it. So right now, you are on Naga. You are on Naga and you are here. Naga has an exciting platform which I will not be able to share and discuss. They have a full social media like Facebook inside the back office where you can do everything you are doing on Facebook on the same social media. But the excitement here is that the social media is only for traders because you cannot get into Naga back office if you are not a trader. So you now have a place where everybody there is a trader. And you can do everything you can do on Facebook right here. You can post, you can discuss, you can talk, you can follow friends.
You cannot, what about just one trader? How could they, everybody is a trader there. You would like to follow.
The reason why you are in a community of traders is so that you can benefit from other traders.
Maybe by sharing or something like that.
You can benefit from other traders. That's the reason. Experience, discussion, uniqueness of Naga, yeah. So we'll explore it together on another day. So I want to talk about the copy trading. On the copy trading, you go to top traders. If you see on top of your menu, you see top traders. If you click on top traders, you will see the top traders based on performance as of today. Tailored insight to match your trading style with the elites. Naga has various classes of accounts. If you deposit $100, you belong to the smallest class, Iron. If your account balance is above $2,000, you belong to a higher class. So if you see a trader, you will see which class the trader belongs to. This trader win rate is 71, so let's not even check him. This next trader, his win rate is 91. Let's check him. Ahmed Zawuri, his win rate is 91. So I'll open his name. I will click on his name. His profile will appear. Summary of this trade for the week already here. He made a total profit of $15,000 for this week. He trade US 30, 13 position, NASDAQ 9 position, German 36 position, others 11 position. His total close trade is 39 this week. Today is Tuesday. So he's a scalper. Are you getting my point? Now, if you come here, you see statistics of this guy. This guy is from Dubai. Do you see the flag of Dubai there? This guy is from Dubai. See the flag of Dubai there? This is the flag of Dubai. If you tap on statistics, you see when this guy started on Naga, you see he started from 0. You see he had a drawdown, and then he continued moving upward, 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 upward. So statistically, he's doing very, very well with a realized profit chart of $131,000 and a win rate of 91%. Any trader with a win rate over 90% is a good trader. Total number of trades, 657. So he has a good account balance. Yeah, we can also check that one. Open position. He currently have open position going on with a drawdown of $14,000. Then he also have the trades that he has closed in profit. That is the most important. You cannot judge a trader based on his drawdown because he has made money, he has withdrawn money, and he will not like to close those bad trades because those bad trades might be a swing position that he will hold until they come back to profits. Somebody selling gold now that has a big account balance. One of my friends came here yesterday. He showed us his account balance is $40,000, and he trade. He was trading gold sell 0.01. So no matter how gold go up, he will not close the position. Do you understand? So you'll be seeing that he has drawdown. He has drawdown. The moment Trump finish all the shenanigans, dollar gets strength, everything that go up must come down. So, but the point here is that his account balance is able to accommodate that drawdown. So you cannot judge his account because you see drawdown. Very good. So this is why when you are checking a drawdown of a trader, it's really not the case. The case is when you see the trade he has closed. That is where you are going to be working with. The trade he has, look at the trade he has closed. NASDAQ, 11%. This one, 6%. This NASDAQ, mostly he trades NASDAQ. See, all the trade he has closed, they are closed in profits. So the main thing now with this guy is the percentage you are copying this guy. For me, I don't want to copy this guy because he's trading mostly NASDAQ. And the account balance I'm using right now to demonstrate is $100. I want to show you a demonstration and I want to keep it real. So this is why I'm not going to copy this trader. He's mostly opening NASDAQ, and the account balance I want to use to copy him is a $100 account. If I was using a 500, I will copy him. You see this place where they say auto copy? I will click on auto copy. He has 192 people copying him. Look at it. He has a win rate of 91%. He has a return of 13% in the last 30 days. He has an average investment per trade of 1,862. That's the equivalent of lot size he's using when you open a position.
What's the meaning of return?
What do you say?
What's the meaning of return?
Last 30 days, average last 30 days profit.
That's the return.
That's the return. Look at it, return has 30 days under it.
Okay, 13.5. Okay, thanks.
Yeah. So you change this, your percentage to 1%. Once you have done this, your account will be copying 0.01. You click on copy. I don't want to click on copy now. Maybe the guy not going to enter NASDAQ trade. My money is $100 for this account. So if you have $500, you can click on copy. Automatically, it's done. Your account will start copying the guy. So, but let me go and evaluate another trader that is not on NASDAQ or on gold or any other thing that I can copy. That has a win rate of 100% or 90% or more than 90%. So this guy doesn't pass the test for my own account. So I check this other guy, Real Deal 55. He has a win rate of 76. I will not take him. I'll click on leaderboard to see more. Top traders of the day. Only one guy passed my test, 90, but he's using more of NASDAQ and I don't want him. I want to use another guy. This is Johnny. Johnny has 415 followers. He has a win rate of 98%. I want to go and evaluate him before I decide to copy Johnny. Johnny has 98% win rates. Autocopy has 79 people are copying him. They are all in profit of 92%. And his visitors are 10,000 people, and he's not copying anybody. So Johnny is from Germany. He's a flag of Germany. So, and his statistics, Johnny has been a profitable trader from when he started on Naga, and his curve is progressively increased. It's not aggressive, but it's it's just like conservative. It's not an aggressive trader. And he has in his account balance $102,000. So if you want to copy him 100%, you need to have $102. So you use 100% to copy him. Percentage copy. Because by the time I want to copy him, now you see me, I'll reduce it to 1%. I want to copy 1% of anything he's doing. Because we're not mates. He has 100,000. I have 1,000. It's 1%. 1%. 1% is okay. So as the money is growing, you still remain on 1%. If your account grow to like 5,000, you can change to 2%. If you can copy on your account, they will tell you that you improve. You can do, it's your choice now. Me, I'm just giving you my personal recommendation based on what
0.5%.
No, you can put in percent. Okay, 0.5%. I like your idea. See, go ahead, please. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yes.
Hello, please.
Because they gave you bonus. They give you bonus.
Hello. Hello.
The bonus they gave you. Please. Go ahead and ask your question.
Yeah, my question is this. I want to ask, can you put the stop loss while copying a trader?
It's your account. Anything you want to do, you can do. You can even close. We closed the position yesterday, right? We can even enter our own position too, Abby.
Yes.
Okay, you can do anything you want to do. You can copy 10 different traders at the same time. But you need to be wise. You need to be risk management sensitive. The reason why I'm showing you this is so that you will not sit down in your laptop and looking for trade. There are other people who are professionals. Their job is to sit down morning to night to trade because they have the money. You don't have the money. You are going outside to look for money, but you need to trade. So you need to hire a trader that will be trading on your behalf while you are going out looking for money. So you analyze and see a trader who is doing what you like and copy a percentage of that trader when you are going about your daily activity. Do you get my point? So you must do it with a lot of risk management in your mind. So you don't just say, I lead you to something that will blow your account. Because if you don't know what you are doing, this is welcome to blowing of accounts. And let me tell you, a broker will pay me rebates. So from here, you see the trade that this guy opened. This is the most important part. For me, the statistics of the trader and then the close trade of the trader. I'm seeing this trader is closing trade with US 30, US 30, US 30, US 30, US 30, US 30, and gold and silver. Now it's not left for me to decide if I want to copy with $100. Really, I would not want to. But $500 can do this. $1,000 can do this. You get my point? This is why I can't choose this trader. So I go back again to top trader to look for another trader to see. So this is what you will do until you find a trader that, look at this one, Naga is like, this one has 100% new win rates and he has made a good number of profit. Let me see. I'll just go straight to check his close trade. 83% win rates. I really don't like him. He's trading natural gas, futures, other things. No. What's the name of the guy you copied?
I don't
remember his name, right? I'm looking for somebody who is taking.
He copied Mattis Pitts and Amazuri.
Amazuri. Okay.
Now you have seen Amazuri now. It is Mattis Pitts that we didn't check.
Okay. I don't want to even check that Mattis Pitts because his number of position is crazy when I saw it yesterday. And again, I'm doing this because the account I'm using to demonstrate is a small account. If I was using a bigger account like $500, I wouldn't take so much time. I would have jumped in. I think I like this guy. The DEX INC. This is stock. This is Netflix. This is This guy closes loss. His win rate is 61. No go area. Okay. Match speed, 100. This $100 is scaring me. I just want to show you guys. So I don't want to do the wrong thing showing you because people will go and copy it. Let me check this guy. Win rate is 43, no go area. Let me stay at the top. Let me go with this guy with US 30. No, 74. Doesn't make sense. 85. No, not this, not you. Let me stay with this guy. Amazuri. 91. Let me go with him. Auto copy. I'm copying this guy right now. Yeah, the series after that 100% is what they have done in 10 pass. But as of now, the calibration is changing as they are trading, right? As of right now, when you open them inside, you see that their percentage has dropped. So you leave them. Currently, they have dropped. So they have to close their positions. It's the number of closed positions that tells your win rate. So they have so much position open that is now reducing their win rate. Okay. So when those trades close, their win rate will go higher. So that's why this guy keeps opening new positions to close them so that his win rate will go higher and leave the old trade to continue being drawdown and keep loading more deposits in his account so that he will be on the top. You see the trick? So you are taking advantage of his new open position that is closing them because he has to close that position to keep win rates. Do you see the trick? So you are leveraging seriously on every side. I'm using 1% to copy this guy. I'll just go there and just click auto copy. Where is this thing?
So what of the amount?
No, just percentage is okay. Just percentage, 1% is okay. Auto copy successful. You have successfully copied Amazuri with a percentage of 1%. You can edit in the auto copy setting. I understand. So now that I've copied this guy, I can copy another person. Let me in fact go and copy another person again. So I'm copying 2 people. On $100, I will uncopy them once I'm done. So I've copied this guy. Let me copy this real deal. Auto copy 72. No, I don't like it. No problem. Let me just copy him. Auto copy 1% of this other guy, just for demonstration's sake, please. Please, I advise, don't use $100 to. I've copied this guy on 1%. I understand. Done. So after copying the people I want to copy, I've copied 2 people so far. I will go to copy trading. Then I will see everybody that I've copied is falling under active copy. In fact, see them, auto activity today. No trade has been taken, but currently I'm copying Real Deal and Amazuri. No any position have been opened from them. And I can go and set it. I can click on them and set. You understand? That's one. Number 2, under settings, like increase the percentage or pause them, I can go under active and evaluate this guy. Real Deal. No trade has been copied from him. My MT5, nothing happening. I can come here and change the rates of copying him to higher rates. So I want to change the rate of copying him right now. So I want to see somebody say 0.5. I couldn't put 0.5. It's not editable there. So the minimum is 1. So you see? So I leave it like that. I won't save. Then somebody say pause autocopy. I can pause this guy. When I pause this guy, he's no longer part of who I'm copying. See now, I'm only copying 1, right? Let me go and click on this guy and edit this guy. I'll pause this guy too. Pause this guy. Because this is $100. I don't want to copy anybody with $100. I don't advise it. Yeah? So it's too risky. I don't want to lose this money. So now I'm no longer copying anybody, but they are now fall under inactive. Are you getting me? Inactive. So any day I want to copy any of them, I can click them. It will come up on board. I will go there. I will say enable user. So I've called him back to work. They are on my profile now for live. I've copied this person before. And the history of what he did when I copy him will always be there. So I can go and reinstall that trader. I'm now copying that trader. I see under my copy now, there's a trader I was copying before who have unfollowed and back. I can even view that trader to see what is his current condition. How is this guy doing now? He's a German guy. His statistics, his summary of the week is trading only gold, 171 position. His statistics is doing very well. Win rate 98. Then I go to his open trade, which is more important for me. All the trade is buy gold trade and is scalping them. 1%, 2%, 1%. This is scalping, literally scalping. So this guy is good for $500 account. By all standard. Please take a screenshot. When I was showing one of my friends that has $5,000, this was the guy I screenshot I sent to go and say, go and copy this guy for 1 week. So if you go now, you see under my copy, you see the guy I'm copying, you see the percentage. You can go to edit. I'm copying in 1%. So this one now, with this $100, I can even leave it. Let me see what's happening. And the way I see now is like, let me see if maybe you open a position. No, there is no open position. I'm seeing something like PNL. Okay, let me go to my trade so I see. My trades. Yeah, there's one trade. The guy has opened a trade on NASDAQ. 0.1. He has opened a trade on NASDAQ, 0.1. And I'm
about to
$2 on Jada. And this guy is going to trade the trade he's going to close the trade very, very fast the moment the trade is in profits. He's currently trading in New York Open. You understand? So if you keep it and watch, you will see you will close this trade in profits. So the balance is 102. I will show you this balance tomorrow. Because I'm not going to stop this guy. I will allow him to continue trading. Because of his curve, you see he's a gentle. He's not like, he's not like that. So I will just leave this trade till tomorrow. I will show you the balance. So you can go and explore this and use it if you don't want to trade by yourself. You can go and explore it and use it if you don't want to trade by yourself. So he didn't set SL. There's no set SL. There's no set TP. He's just trading like that and he's going on.
Is this one Amazuri you are using now?
This one now is who got the name, please?
Or is it DD2103?
Yeah, DD2103.
DD200.
Okay, DD2103. Okay.
Yes, you can go and. For where? I don't. Are you still copying? Okay, you are doing withdrawal now. You have gotten the withdrawal. They have paid the money. Hallelujah. Screenshot and drop in the group. Screenshot and the money has arrived though. Hey. So ladies and gentlemen, our time is up. We need to leave. We have crossed 3:30. All the WhatsApp group that you find available. This is testimonial. Share even in your compound WhatsApp group. Let them say, how did you get this money? You send them 5,000 naira. Tell them, say, tomorrow I'll tell you. So ladies and gentlemen, we have to close this meeting here. Our time is up. We'll come back again tomorrow by 3:30. At 1:30 to run this live commentary on the trade. It's like I'm seeing seven-figure boss. Biggest Sam. Biggest Sam, do you want to say, are you here with us? Let me give you the mic, please. I will overshoot this time, but I'm sure we are able to touch a good number. Biggest, the mic is yours. I'm just seeing you now. Biggest. Oh, it's not biggest. Okay, we have to close. So thank you so much for your time. My time is up. If you need anything, please reach out to me. Some people are asking questions. I'm just joining you guys. What is the minimum amount to open account with you guys? You can open an account with $1, brother. $1, $5, $10, any amount you like. It depends on what you want to do. So, but I recommend you open $100 if you have it and you are going for, you will be going for cent account. And I also recommend that you open $500 if you are going for Naga, because you can do copy trading there, you can trade by yourself there. So it depends on what you have. But if you don't have money at all, you can just create the account, a free account, and be sharing your link until you make money by sharing your link. Then you start using the money to do business. So any amount you have, that's the right answer I can give to you. But in all you do, join our community. We have the WhatsApp group there, so you can join our community. Very, very important. Somebody said the trader you are copying is DD2. Okay, I think I've taken that. Will the trader not collect his commission? No, the broker pays him for that. You have no anything to do with paying anybody. The broker pays him for that.
These are the on equity is cent account, right?
On equity cent account, where we have a copier for on equity. Dennis will explain to us tomorrow. I couldn't see him on the call. So tomorrow, once it's installed, he will share his screen and explain to us copy system on equity, which $100 you can copy on equity. So I think my time is up. Please join the group, join the group. Any question you have, ask the question in the group. I'm going to answer the question and we're going to go on. So we are okay. 7-Figure Boss Pro, thank you so much for the wonderful opportunity. I love the amazing.
Just a second.
Yes, please.
This cent account, can it be used for copying?
Yeah, it can be used for copying. There's a system that we are working on, so we'll demonstrate it probably tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm having a little challenge funding my on equity, but let's see after I finish, because I wanted doing.
Yeah, I will give you the phone number of the WhatsApp number of the support, so they can also help you out if
kindly, because I wanted yesterday I was supposed to fund there and I didn't fund. I couldn't fund yesterday.
So you can also call me. We share your screen, so we do it together.
Okay, sir. Okay, that'll be best.
So if there's any question, please reach out to me on the WhatsApp group. If you have not joined our WhatsApp group, join the WhatsApp group. Ask any question there in the WhatsApp group. We will guide you. You fund your account, you are a candidate for giveaway. We are going to give you what we have, just as a token of love, not that we are sharing money for you. We want you to be able to make money on your own and share to others. Nigeria should not be broke if we have an opportunity like this. Africa should not be poor if we have opportunities like this. Don't be greedy. Yes, share everywhere, brother. Don't be greedy. Don't be selfish. Do the right thing. Learn how to trade. Grow gradually. Make money gradually. Don't rush so that you don't get into problems and you blame the markets. Yeah. If you do everything you are supposed to do and grow gradually, you get to a point where you are making money without boundaries in this market. There are many things to do in this market that will make money for you. So many things. So don't just be greedy with opening lot size and opening trades. This is the least you could do to make money in the market. So just be professional and do the right thing. Thank you so much. My time is up. Our friends on YouTube, click on the description button, join our community, ask questions, follow what we are doing, and benefit from what we are doing. And above all, show other people what we are doing. Share your link. Let them register too.